lady, you want to go on him, you want
No, no.
Alright.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Today is another day in my vlog, and as you can see, my lashes is falling off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna completely take them off because they're hanging for dear life. So I'm gonna take them off and give myself a proper facial, which I always do. So, and look at today we have cloudy skies because it was raining last night, and I think it's gonna rain all day today. Today is Sunday. So on my agenda, that's one. Then I need to maybe do my painting, paint my house, just little bits of the house because it had wallpaper and I took them down because it was coming down anyway. But now I need to paint that, and then so facial painting. And I'm not sure what I'm doing for the rest of the day, but if I'm doing anything, I'll take you along with me because you know I'm doing daily vlogs. And yeah, I need to edit my vlog from yesterday and post it, so that's what I'm gonna do. So now let's get on to my facial. Let's go. I was trying to preserve these lashes, you know, but you know what? I can't help it because I sweat so much. Because I sweat and I need to wipe my face. The lashes are not staying. But it is what it is. I just have to find someone to do it. Because I don't know, I have to, I need to find someone to do it. But first, okay, that's tidy. But before I find someone, I have to give myself a proper facial. So what I'll do, I'll give myself a facial, then I'll call around to see. Oh, that feels so good. I have to call around to find someone to do it. So that's it today for my facial. I'm gonna use the apricot, the exfoliant apricot, and then after I'm gonna use the plumping face mask. So let me put this on and then I'll leave it for about half an hour. Okay, I'll get back to you. Jamaica is so hot. Listen, look at my face. It's so dark. I love it. But you know what? Don't worry, I'm not gonna be burned because I'm using my sunscreen. I'm just getting a tan, which is so good. Oh, this feels so good because my face, I do wash my face, but it needs to be washed properly. Oh, open all the pores and get everything in. Ooh, feels so good. Feels so good. Oh. Give them a style. Boost the style. I was so tired last night I couldn't bother editing. But I'll do that today. and have my vlog out. And I hope you're enjoying it, and I hope you're watching, and just leave a comment. That's all. And put a thumbs up. Much appreciated, man. So I'm gonna leave this for now, and then I'll come back. Okay, so that is the bit I'm gonna paint to match this bit. So it's not a lot in the bathroom, and I've got my off-white paint that I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna paint this little bit off camera. Maybe when I'm doing the bit build I'll come back, but let me get this sorted. Even if it's this I've done today, then it will be fine. So let me get cracking with my job. It's raining today. Today is a rainy day, which is good because it was so hot. So we need to be cooled down. It was too hot, man. So the rain is good for us. Welcome to Jamaica. We have nice weather. I love it. What's up? I just came in from getting my lashes done. I like them. I tried out a new girl today and she's not too bad, I must say. I like it. And this girl is hard to please. And you know, I have no complaints. And then after I went to eating with some friends. I didn't vlog that because I don't want camera in everybody's face. So it was nice, but I've got some more eating engagement to do. You see this, I'm gonna put on so much weight because everyone's inviting you to eat food. It's just eating. Oh my God. It's so crazy. I've been eating and I'm sure I've put on some pounds. So I don't even think I've got enough footage for today. But I just did painting, my lashes, but I might add some more bits to this vlog tomorrow. So I'm not gonna end this vlog today. I'm gonna do Sunday and Monday together. Yeah, that's a good one. So I'll see you Monday. Wagwan.
I'm alone here.
Never give up, never lose out. Never sell out and never sell down. Never run into the rich, you come and sell the sales out. All roads up, one to back road. Have to make a park like the shark on the block.
If I get a good education, can't get a big check. Yeah.
From what?
And it's so easy, yeah, you get a big check. Or addicted.
You could have got 6 from
Keep it real. Not a mercy. Them see the devil. That's why them soul is a rebel. But the killers they is God. I'm not the devil. And then this world become
What's breakfast? The soup cup come already? We will make love.
No. Ito pa kamala dong upload ka, dong abag yo. Kuda ko yung oras ke sama siya abag yo.
Check. All right. All right, yeah. The thing is that now, we're going to close down the bounce about for a bit here. And all the kids come up this side. Hey, all little picnic, put on your shoes. Get back your shoes on your feet. We're going to get the bounce about right down to the ground. And all you kids up this. If you're ready for party, say party! Say party! Alright, sounds good. Like my kids, they are ready. I tell you, man. Yeah, all my kids are ready. Who can tell me whose birthday it is tonight? Huh? Alright, the shorter ones come to the front, that's it. The smaller, shorter ones, go to the front, straight up to the front. All the shorter ones to the front.
This one.
Alright, no problem, right?
Sharp was off of me.
Thank you. All right. Let me get the party going now. Wait, no man. Easy. Right, let's start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to. Point at him, point at him. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
How old are you now? 3.
Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good